Hi there, welcome to 1 in a Million. In this video we are going to discuss about new relationship advice to have a perfect start. Have you just found yourself in a new relationship? Learn what matters in love right from the start using these new relationship advices and tips. If you are interested to know details from a new relationship to a good relationship. In a seasoned relationship, keeping the excitement alive may seem like the biggest bummer. But in a new relationship, it's learning to hold back the excitement that ends up distancing new lovers. If you've just met a perfect partner, number 1. Meet often, but not too often. When you're in young love, you'd want to spend every waking minute with your sweetheart. It's understandable, you're obviously excited. But could you be pushing it too far? Remember that new workout DVD you picked up some time ago? You were probably really excited at the beginning, but as the daily workout took more and more time out of your daily routine, you started getting annoyed by it. It's the same story with love. By meeting too often, you're suddenly changing the lives of two individuals who have fallen in love. It may feel great for the first week or so, but eventually your other commitments. Number 2. Don't get clingy. Just because you're dating doesn't mean you own each other. Shocking, yes, but it's true. If you want to know how to have a good relationship from the beginning, learn to give each other space. Especially in a new relationship, you're only dating each and don't really need to know every little. Number 3. Don't be lavish with your gifts. Your new lover may be running in your mind all day, but that doesn't mean you should go overboard and buy something for your lover every time you see something nice while shopping. Save the spending sprees for later, when the relationship has grown over a solid foundation. If you do want to Number 4. Don't push sex in too quickly. In every new relationship, the horny-o-meter pointer may go into overdrive, just like your love-o-meter. But that doesn't mean you should try and coerce your partner into having sex with you on the first or second date. Take it slow, and if both of you do end up having sex soon, so be it. But don't try booking a hotel room or at. Number 5. Don't get possessive. Possessiveness is never a good trait in a relationship. Possessiveness is a sign of insecurity and jealousy, and these are usually big red flags in any relationship, new or old. Remember that you're still in a new relationship and can't order or even request your mate to avoid people or avoid going out by themselves. Even if you do feel jealous about your lover's partying habit. Number 6. Accept each other's habits. When you fall in love with someone new, you fall in love with a person who's unique, not a splitting image of your dream lover. Instead of trying to change them to fit your requirements, learn to adjust to their habits. By restricting a lover or trying to change someone at the very beginning, you risk the chance of losing them forever. Whether you're in love or otherwise, Number 7. You don't have to say I love you. Just because you're in a relationship with your new lover, it doesn't mean you have to start saying those 3 magical words to each other as soon as you decide to go out with each other. By saying it out first, you're subtly coercing your partner into saying it back. And whether your new love says it back or not, it's only. Number 8. Don't introduce your date to your friends too soon. When you're in a new relationship, you're still exploring each other and learning about each other. Don't call your friends over when your new lover's with you or plan a group date just to show off your new catch. Though it's not a bad thing to do, overwhelming your new lover with too much information at once can seem like too much, too fast. And if you do meet a friend, when you're on a date, introduce your date. Number 9. Talk to each other. When you're in a new relationship, the bodily exploration may be the high point of every date that ends in a cozy corner or in one of your beds. But that doesn't really help create a good relationship. Communication does. Try to sneak in a long conversation every now and then and learn about each other, likes, understand the secret behind knowing how to have a good relationship right from the start by taking it slow and learning about your partner without overwhelming them at once. After all, if you like this video, please don't forget to give us a like. And also subscribe our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.